When creating a presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint, sometimes we have to insert a video as data that needs to be displayed to clarify the presentation that we will present later. However, maybe there are still some of you who don't know how to insert a video into a Microsoft PowerPoint slide. The method is very easy. Watch this tutorial until the end to find out how. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you like it. First of all, determine where to place the video. You can create a new slide or clear the existing slide. There are several ways to insert a video into a PowerPoint slide. The first way is if you create a new slide, for example the title and content slide. In the content section there is an insert video icon. You click the insert video icon, then find and select the video that was prepared earlier, then click insert to insert the slide. For the second method, go to the insert menu, then select pictures, then select this device. After that, like in the first method, you find and select the video that was prepared earlier, then click insert to insert the video. After the video is in, friends just need to adjust the size of the video to fit the width of the existing slide. Well, how easy is it? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.